On today's project, we're going to be making a nice little coat rack with some railroad spikes and this piece of live edge walnut. Alright, we're going to turn this railroad spike to a little coat hanger hook that Peter's going to put on a nice piece of wood. I've already made up 4 of these earlier today. I have 1 more to go. So we're going to take my last railroad spike, get it heated up in the forge, and then we'll start hitting it with the hammer. So let's go. You got a little bit of an angle going on here. I'm going to hold it up to my measurements over here. We're not quite there. Let's see if I can get a little more out of it. Perfect. Alright, so this time I'm going to put it back in the forge, but I'm going to put the spike end in first, and we're going to start working on that bottom curve of the hook. Alright, I'm flattening it out, trying to make it look nice here before I do my final curve. So one more time, just to compare it to what I have here. I need to get a little bit more curve on the back end, which is easy to do. And all in all, the angles look good. Alright, that is pretty much there. We'll be able to grind the rest of it to shape. So I already cut down one side just to transport it, so I'm gonna cut down the rough side on the other side. We'll sand all the excess bark off and then sand the whole piece and we'll get to work. So I just finished with sanding. Everything's sanded up to 220. It's nice and buttery smooth. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna line these. Half eyeball, half measuring. These are all hand forged, so there's always, different things. And this is a live edge piece of wood, so it's not completely square, not completely straight. So we're really just, squaring them up to what we see fit and what looks right. So we've just been moving around, shuffling around. Then we'll mark the holes, drill them out so that we can get going on that stuff. Alright, so we just got everything finished up. We used tung oil for this. It's what I had. I thought it would look good. I think it looks awesome. It has a nice light sheen on it, but it's pretty well protected. So next thing we're going to do is mount all those hooks, and we'll pretty much be done. Alright, so we just finished mounting all the hooks. As you can see, she's all finished. The oil's just still curing a little bit, but this should be posted up sometime later today if you're seeing this video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe and share it with everyone else. It really helps us out, and we're really trying to grow, so thank you guys. Whoa, that was a lot. Whoops. That was a lot.
You were so surprised. It's a good shot though.
Oh my goodness.